this point, MeetRecord, I'm gonna start over. Every time I talk, my nose itches. It's so annoying. If you're a sales leader or a business owner looking to save lots of time and money on sales coaching and reviewing sales calls, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Michelle Terpstra, Chief Revenue Officer and creator of Sunday Sales Delight, and I am in partnership with MeetRecord, my favorite tool for analyzing sales calls and improving performance. So let's go ahead and jump into one of my favorite features, which is call snippets. So if you have experience in reviewing calls for either yourself or others, you know how incredibly time-consuming listening to an entire hour or hour and a half call or even 30-minute call can be. So one of my best practices and one of my favorite things that MeetRecord allows me to do is to share snippets. And so what a snippet is it allows you to share a section of a call for review. So how I coach my team is I say, hey, I want you to listen to your own call. And what I want you to do is to tell me exactly where you would like my feedback within the call. So what this allows me to do is not to spend hours and hours and hours every single day listening to every single call, but cutting that down to 1, 2, 3-minute segments per rep, where we can isolate exactly where they need help and then improve. So I comment within MeetRecord, I tag them so they see the feedback, they can hear it inside their call as well. This is an incredibly powerful feature. Now, before MeetRecord was available, there's just one major player in this space, and it cost tens of thousands of dollars to have your sales team record calls and provide this type of technology and support to you and your team. MeetRecord makes it so accessible with about $500 per user per year. And with my partnership with MeetRecord, we are also offering custom one-to-one onboarding complimentary for you. So that means you can kick off on the right foot and make sure it's exactly what you need. So call snippets are just one thing within MeetRecord that I absolutely love. And once again, how this works, MeetRecord records your call, analyzes it using AI coaching. You can add in things that you want to make sure that your rep or yourself is covering, like keywords or sections or transitions. And then one of my favorite review features is call snippets, where you can cut a portion and get feedback on a specific area. This saves so much time. Well, I hope that you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more information. And if you would like to take advantage of a free MeetRecord trial and a custom one-to-one onboarding, if you choose to move forward, make sure that you fill out the form below. Until next time.